Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by verifying permissions and basic audio paths so you don't chase the wrong problem. Check the app's internal volume, then the system volume and mute switches. They can be independent. Once done, inspect app permissions for audio or microphone access and disable Focus Assist or Do Not Disturb if active. Restart the app, and if nothing changes, reboot the device to reload audio drivers and services. This clears transient conflicts and often restores sound quickly. Now focus on routing and drivers because apps can send sound to the wrong device. Open per app sound settings and select the intended output. Some apps override system defaults. Next, update or reinstall your audio drivers to fix compatibility. Also check sample rate mismatches such as 44. 1 kHz versus 48 kHz that can silence some apps. Finally, test physical connections and Bluetooth pairing. Unpair and repair headphones to force a clean connection and reassign the audio endpoint. Finish by addressing app-specific settings and isolation techniques so you can pinpoint the fault. Clear the app cache or data, and if that fails, reinstall to remove corrupted configuration. Make sure the app is updated. Sometimes a newer or older build resolves regressions. As a final step, create a new user profile on the device and run the app there to see if the problem is tied to your profile. If sound still fails, use the new profile test as your main troubleshooting indicator.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.